Hello there, my name is Kenneth Kanyi, and today I'm going to be showing you how to create a Lightbox in Azure RP8 Enterprise Edition. Alright, we'll go ahead and get started. I'll create a new file here, and I'll save this as Lightbox. Okay, now for the Lightbox, definitely we're gonna need a couple of images. Go to my browser here and look for, say, dogs. Okay, go to images, and want the images to be of similar dimensions. So go to my search tools, and I want the images to be exactly let's see, 600 wide and 400 pixels high. Okay, we'll filter that, and I'll pick these little ones here. He's hungry. I'll save that as number 1. Alright, I'll need another one. I'll save these as number 2. And now for our last one, we'll pick this guy right here. Number 3. Alright, now that we have our images, we can come here into our program and import them. Now under libraries right here, on default, or if you're on all libraries, there's this image item here. You can drag it onto your stage or canvas if you want. And this is the placeholder for an image, so you can double click on that. Then we'll navigate to where we downloaded our images. We'll pick the first one, open that, and this setup will be where we have a smaller image that you can click on, and then it enlarges, or a bigger version of it pops up on the screen. Alright, we'll resize this to be the thumbnail size. Hold down your shift so you can proportionally resize. Okay, I'll copy this since I have 3 images. Hold down Control and drag. Perfect. Okay, when you click on an image here, either of these, you see these option here to import. So you can click on an image, import, and it'll flip to the next one. Do the same thing for the last one, and there you have it. Okay, now that we have our thumbnail set, we need to set up the larger images that will pop up on the screen. Alright, hold down Control, and then we resize this. Hold down Shift, just about that size. Okay, so the idea here is when you click on an image, the big one opens. Click on another one, the big one opens. Okay, but we want the big ones to be loaded as hidden. Okay, so the only thing we'll see will be the thumbnails, such that you click on either and it'll be able to show the big one. So if you select the bigger image, right click, you can set hidden here. I'll go ahead and hide it. Alright, The other thing I forgot to do is rename the images. It's important to do that, so you can be able to tell which ones they are when you're doing your settings. So I'll call that one thumb, copy that. Second one, 02 thumb, and the third one, 03. Alright, even though we hid our image, the larger image, you can see there's still some kind of a placeholder there showing you that there's an item that's hidden. You can still click on it and rename it. So this will be 01 large. Alright, and now we need to import the other two, or we can just select this, hold down Control, copy, and I like them to fit right on each other. Doesn't matter which one is on top or below. Okay, that's now 02 large. Remember to rename them. Right click and it's set to hidden. Okay, go to the third one, hold down Control, copy it right there, hold down Shift, bam. Alright, and this is of course 03 large. Right click and set to hidden. So whenever we preview these, we'll only see the thumbnails there. Right, so now we're going to set up where you click and it shows up here. Okay, so for that to happen, select your first image and move over to the right side of your screen, and we want an on-click action. You can select that or just say add case, and what we want to happen is a show, right? And then this is where you'll see the importance of renaming your images. Even though we still have that preview there, when you hover it, it's important to know exactly what you're selecting. Okay, so show, we put a show hide case, and what we want to show is our first image, which is that, and you can always add an animation when it shows. Let's start with the fade and see how that looks. More options, and we want to treat this as a lightbox. Okay, to save that, a new preview, boom, select anywhere outside the image, click on it, that is the lightbox. As simple as that. Alright, we'll go ahead and do the rest. So, and we can right click, copy, select this, right click, paste. Okay, though we don't want it to open the same image, so we go there and say want it to open number 2, go to the third one, right click, paste, and we want it to open image number 3. Where are you? Number 3. There you are. Okay, so we need to activate our fade animation. Where are you? Fade. I thought it would actually copy this option, but it didn't. So treat as a lightbox. That's a background color that you see when the bigger image pops up. Say okay to that. Go to the third one, do the same. Just double clicking there. It's a show hide case, showing number 3 image, fade, and treat as a lightbox. And that's it. Preview this. Image number 1, image number 2, image number 3. I don't like that fade. We could probably make it a little more interesting. Okay, so select the image that's animated, or that holds the animation. And we want these to slide down. Yes, that is gonna be awesome. Okay, so come to animate and say slide down, and do the same for the last one. Animate, slide down. Preview that. Then you should click on it and it should slide on the top of the screen. And that is how you create a lightbox in this program. Again, thank you for watching. My name is Kenneth Kanyi, and I'll see you on the next one.